Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install WinRAR for Windows. Just search for WinRAR, enter. Okay, this link. I put this link in the description of the video. Click it, download. From here we have latest version WinRAR 7.1 English. If your PC in another language, because here we have Arabic language, Armenian, and so on. So I selected WinRAR 7.01 English for Windows. Here you can select it 64-bit. Okay, just click it. It is downloaded. It is done. Click this one, right click, run as administrator. Yes. Okay, install. You can add WinRAR to desktop, add WinRAR to start menu, but I let it as default. Okay, done. Now it is done. For example, I have this file. If I want to add to WinRAR, just right click, add to RAR. You see directly I add it. If I want to extract it, for example, I delete this one, right click, extract it. Yes. Now it's extracted. That's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.